Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today we're going to be working on the Acura Integra again. And I got new parts from Maxpeedingrods. Got their traction bar here. And you can pick up one of these or any other parts from Maxpeedingrods. Use the link in the description and use coupon code CZMate to save 15%. But yeah, I did an unboxing on my TikTok. We'll be doing more unboxings on that. So we already have it unboxed, but yeah, here's my Integra. Okay, got the car jacked up. So the traction bar is pretty simple to install. What we're going to do is remove these two tow hooks, one on the driver's side and passenger side. There's 3 bolts, I think they're 12 millimeter or 14. And then the bar lays across the front here. And then the rods will connect to the lower control arm right here. No, to the outer point, but the bracket connects to those two right there. And that should be it. It should be really simple. So first thing I need to do is remove this plastic to be able to access the bolts there. And for those who are wondering what traction bar is supposed to do, so it's supposed to help tighten up the front of the car. Also prevent wheel hop if you have high horsepower in your drag racing, which I do not have, but it's what I've read from a bunch of different forums. It's supposed to help tighten up the front for road racing. So we'll just throw it on and see how it works. So let's get those tow hooks off and get this bar installed. Got the little plastic under tray off, and it's pretty simple. Just some 10 millimeter pushing and 2 10 millimeter bolts holding it to the bottom. So now we need to get the tow hook off. I got a 14 because it looks like it'd be a 14. So right up here, let's see if I can, there you go. There's the 3 bolts on both of the tow hooks. So just pull those off and then we can mount the traction bar. Tow hooks off. These were 14 millimeter, 3 on each side. So this traction bar will mount up exactly where those tow hooks are. So we'll just line up the holes, whatever ones fit best, and tighten it down.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more.
Let me get a hammer. Alright, I'll show you. It's pretty tight. What's going in there? Pretty tight fit, but I got the 1 bolt started over here, and then I'm working on this side. Just need to pound this up. It's a really tight fit, but I guess that's good.
Feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water.
Okay, the traction bar is installed. Now we need to come over here to the lower control arm and remove this 17 millimeter nut right here and the 17 millimeter bolt, and that's where the bracket will go. And then we'll connect the arms. Alright, both brackets are on. I put this one on backwards, but I already flipped it. The rod goes to the outermost point. I knew that, but I was filming and not really paying attention, I guess. But got that flipped around. Alright, got the arms right here. They can be adjusted, but we'll just adjust it to where it's really tight. And then how it'll go this little washer piece right here on both ends. the bolt going through. So you like this. That spacer over on this side, and then your locking nut right here. Alright, with the bolt and nut that Maxpeedingrod provides, the bolt is a 18 millimeter and the nut is a 19. So I got everything set up down here. Got the arm right here. So now we will set this up top and adjust it to the correct length. Alright, got the bolt through with the two spacers over here and over here. And then, if you guys don't know how these work, you go spin one way there, that's tight, so it's sucking this one in and sucking this one in. One is backwards threaded, so just get it tight like that. Then see, that one's backward thread, just like that. We'll tighten that down, and then tighten down the bolt. Just like that, we're done. Super simple install. One final look. Got it installed there. All tightened down. Just gonna wrap it up for this video. Pretty simple install. Get one last look. You can see it right there. Looking good. Remember, you can pick up one of these traction bars. I'll leave a link to the traction bar and also to Maxpeedingrod in the description below. Use code CZMate to save 15% off your whole purchase. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. I will do a POV driving video to review this traction bar and also the Willwood brakes I put on the video prior to this one. I got a new headband for my action cam, so that'll be pretty cool to be able to do some POV driving videos. But leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and until next time, peace out. Alright, you guys, all you that stuck around to the very end, I appreciate every one of you. I got something to tell you guys, something that no one else that doesn't watch my whole video will hear. Something very important. Long hair sucks when laying on the floor, Look at this. It's all I had to fix it up before the next clip, whatever though. I did it because of C19, as a joke. Oh, I need to wear a mask and grow out my hair. I didn't think it was going to be 2 years, but okay, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.